Magento partnering with EasyShip, Amazon entering the market of the e-commerce solutions, Microsoft plans regarding PWA, and a beta release of GoMage PWA theme. Watch this video for the latest news in the e-commerce and Magento and what they mean for your business. Hi, this is Vladimir with a monthly roundup of the hottest news around the e-commerce and your favorite platform, Magento. Let's start with the new opportunities for the Magento store owners. Adobe announced a partnership with EasyShip, one of the leading multi-carrier shipping platforms. Last year showed that the merchants are exploring new sales channels and expanding into new or emerging markets. Adobe and EasyShip recognize they have a growing demand and offer solutions that are good for worldwide delivery. The companies partnered to provide Magento merchants with a turnkey scalable shipping solution. Thanks to the newly formed partnership, Magento merchants will get access to 15 shipping solutions in 35 countries worldwide with over 250 pre-negotiated discount rates, automated custom paperwork for cross-border shipments, advanced shipping rules configurations, and much more. As a result, you will be able to explore new markets and deliver products paying less. However, today we know only about the plans to add EasyShip support for Magento Commerce. It seems that the new arrival to Magento and other e-commerce platforms is on its way. Amazon bought Sales, an e-commerce platform. While the retail giant decided to stay quiet about the new acquisition, Sales shared the news in the blog post, saying that nothing will change for its current clients. However, you can sign up with the Sales no more, at least for now. We should know that Amazon used to have its own e-commerce platform, Web Store. It aimed to provide small businesses with a way to easily set up an online store. However, the giant killed it in 2016 for no obvious reason. Turns out the company decided to step into the same shoes again. A second chance is a charm, right? Does it mean that Amazon is determined to create a rival to Magento, Shopify and other platforms? What do you think? Share your thoughts and comments below. While some e-commerce businesses are not sure either to adopt web progressive applications or not, the leading tech companies are actively doing that. Microsoft will join Google, Adobe, Alibaba and other brands that are already enjoying benefits of PWA. The company will turn the Teams solution into PWA. This way, Microsoft hopes to make its video conferencing tool more accessible across lower-end devices, since PWA don't overload smartphones and impact performance. The new solution will also offer quicker loading, performance and upgrades. Our PWA team released a new beta version of GoMage PWA Storefront, and we could not but spy on what's happening in our secret PWA lab. After the new update rolls out, you will get access to one-click installer for PWA extensions. You will be able to install the supported extensions in, well, you've probably guessed, one click. Our team has also added few new integrations. One of them is Clevu, an artificial intelligence site search solution, and MailerLite, an email marketing platform. They will join the list of the supported integrations after the new release. And we can always create a custom integration for your business if you're missing some of the list. The new version of our PWA Storefront will also work on the latest Magento PWA Studio. What's more importantly, it's a green score in page speed insights. What do you think about PWA? Will this technology become the next big thing? Don't be shy to share your thoughts in the comments under the video. Before you leave, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our new videos. See you soon!